Hello everyone. So today we will see method number 2 of unit 4, that is formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. In the previous lecture we studied the formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants, but here in this method we will form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. Okay. આ જે આખું ફંક્શન છે એ રિપ્લેસ કરવાનું છે, એલિમિનેટ કરવાનું છે by so this method is called by eliminating arbitrary function. In the previous lecture we were eliminating arbitrary constants like a b એ બધાને રિમૂવ કરતા હતા, પણ આમાં આખા ફંક્શન છે એની જગ્યાએ રિપ્લેસ કરવાનું છે. So let us see the examples. Example 1, form a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from z equal to f of x square minus y square. Okay, so here the function given is x square minus y square. Okay, so first of all we will differentiate the equation with respect to x and then we will differentiate the equation with respect to y. So differentiating equation, let us tell this is equation 1. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, what we will get? Del z by del x equal to f of x square minus y square will be f dash x square minus y square, and again the differentiation of x square will be 2x. Okay, so this is the equation number 2. Now we will differentiate this equation with respect to y. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to y. So if we will differentiate with respect to y, then we will get del z by del y equal to f dash of x square minus y square. અને હવે શું કરશું? y square નું differentiation બાજુમાં થશે પાછું, then it will be minus 2y. Okay, so that is your equation number 3. Now we will substitute the value of f dash x square minus y square. f dash x square minus y square ની વેલ્યુ છે આપણે 3 માંથી એને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીને 2 માં પુટ કરી શકીએ કે 2 માંથી એને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીને 3 માં પુટ કરી શકીએ. ઓકે, so here we will substitute f dash x square minus y square from equation 3 in equation 2. એટલે પહેલા આપણે આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવશું equation 3 માંથી. So from equation 3 માંથી આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો શું મળશે? આ minus 2y છે એ નીચે જતું રહેશે. So it will be minus 1 by 2y into del z by del y. Okay. So now we will put this value of f dash x square minus y square in equation 2. Put in equation 2. Okay, આ equation 2 છે એની જગ્યાએ આ વેલ્યુ છે એની જગ્યાએ આપણે આ પુટ કરી શકીએ. So it will be del z by del x equal to minus 1 by 2y into del z by del y, and 2x તો છે જ ત્યાં, so into 2x. So now what we will get, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So del z by del x equal to minus x by y into del z by del y. Okay, but we know that, sorry, here it is del z by del x. We know that del z by del x is equal to p and del z by del y is equal to q. Okay, so we can write like this, small q, p equal to minus x by y into q. Okay, in the previous lecture we have studied that the value of del z by del x is equal to p and del z by del y is equal to q. So we will get such type of equation, and if I put this y, take this y this side, then I will get py equal to minus x cube. So this is the first order differential equation. Okay, so this is the partial differential equation for first order. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, example 2, form a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from x by z equal to phi x plus y plus z. So again what is told in the question, that we have to eliminate the arbitrary function. So here we will use the method of elimination of arbitrary functions. Okay. So first step will be, always you have to differentiate the equations. So differentiating this equation 1 with respect to x. We will first of all differentiate with respect to x, and then we will differentiate with respect to y. So if we differentiate with respect to x, then here what we will get, x ની value શું થઈ જશે 1. So yz equal to yz plus જ્યારે z નું કરશું ત્યારે xy કોન્સ્ટન્ટ હશે, so xy into del z by del x. Okay, z નું છે એ x ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં છે, so it will be del z by del x. That is equal to phi dash of x plus y plus z. Again x નું 1 થશે plus y નું 0 થશે અને z નું શું થશે, del z by del x. So this is your equation number 2. Okay. Now we will differentiate with respect to y. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to y. y ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં ડિફરન્શિએશન કરીએ તો શું મળશે, અગેન y નું શું થઈ જશે 1. So it will be xz plus, again xy will be constant and z will be del z by del x, and that is equal to phi dash of x plus y plus z. પછી પાછું x નું કરશું with respect to y છે, તો x નું શું થશે 0, y નું શું થશે 1, and z નું શું થશે del z by del x. That is your equation number 3. Okay. Now what we will do, we will make one subject, and that we will put the value in the next equation. જો આમાંથી આપણે આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવી, આગળ કેમ આપણે f of વાળું ફંક્શન હતું એને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીને આમાં વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી, સો એવી રીતના જો આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવું અને આની જે વેલ્યુ આવે આમાં પુટ કરી શકું. ઓકે, સો વોટ વી વિલ ડુ, we will substitute phi dash x plus y plus z from equation 3 into equation 2. Equation 3 માંથી આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવશું અને એની વેલ્યુ આપણે equation 2 માં પુટ કરશું. Okay, we will make the subject of this function from equation 3, and then we will, in place of this function, we will write that value. So from equation 3 માંથી જો આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો શું આવશે, phi dash x plus y plus z equal to, and in place of del z by del x I can write here p, and here also p, here also p, and here also p. So first of all let us write in that form. So it will be yz plus xyp equal to phi dash x plus y plus z into 1 plus p. So this is nothing but your equation 2, modified form of equation 2. Equation 2 ની જગ્યાએ ખાલી del z by del x છે ત્યાં p પુટ કર્યું છે. ઓકે, અને આનું ફોર્મ કરીએ તો શું આવશે, xz plus xy into p equal to phi dash x plus y plus z into 1 plus p. Sorry, here we have derived with respect to y, so here we will have y terms, and that is nothing but q. So here we will have q. Okay, that is your equation number 3. Now we will make the subject from equation 3. So from equation 3 જો phi dash x plus y plus z ને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો શું આવે, આની નીચે આ ટર્મ જતી રહેશે, xz plus xyq by 1 plus q. So we got this term. Now we will substitute this term in equation number 2. Substituting this value in equation 2. Equation 2 ની અંદર જ્યાં આ છે phi dash x plus y plus z એની જગ્યાએ આ વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી શકીએ. So it will be yz plus xyp equal to xz plus xyq by 1 plus q into 1 plus p. ઓકે, સો આ ટર્મ છે એને આ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ તો ઇટ વિલ બી yz plus xyp into 1 plus q equal to xz plus xyq into 1 plus p. Okay. So now if I multiply these terms, then I will get yz plus yzq plus xyp plus xypq equal to xz plus xzp plus xyq plus xyqp. So this both the terms will get cancelled. xyqp છે બંને સાઈડથી cancel થઈ જશે. So what I will get finally, that is xy minus xzp plus yz minus xyq. મેં શું કર્યું, p વાળી ટર્મ્સ છે એ સાથે લીધી. p વાળી ટર્મ્સ જો આ બંને છે તો xy minus xz આ ટર્મ આ બાજુ લાવી અને q વાળી ટર્મ્સ છે એ સાથે લીધી એન્ડ z વાળી ટર્મ્સ છે એને મેં આ સાઈડ મોકલ્યું તો it will be x minus y into z. So finally this is the answer of this question. Okay, xy minus xzp plus yz minus xyq equal to x minus y into z. So this is the partial differential PDE, partial differential equation of first order. So this is the final answer of this question. Example 3. Form the partial differential equation of z equal to function x upon y. Function કેવું આપેલું છે? x upon y. So now we will differentiate equation 1. પહેલો સ્ટેપ આપણો હંમેશા શું હશે? Our step 1 will be always we will differentiate. જે equation આપ્યું છે એનું partially differentiation કરશું. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and then with respect to y. જો x ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં પાર્શિયલ ડિફરન્શિએશન કરીએ તો અહીંયા શું થશે? x નું del z by del x ઇક્વલ ટુ ફંક્શન છે f છે તો એનું શું થઈ જશે? f ડેશ x, y અને x નું શું થઈ જશે? 1 અને y છે નીચે આમનામ રહેશે. ઓકે, now we will differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Then what we will get? Del z by del y equal to f dash x by y. Again x છે આમનામ રહેશે અને 1 by y નું શું થશે? ડિફરન્શિએશન minus 1 by y square. એટલે x આમનામ રહ્યો અને into minus 1 by y square. So that is equal to minus x by y square. Okay. So now we will substitute the value of f dash x by y from equation 3 in equation 2. જેમ આપણે આગળ કરતા હતા, as we were doing previously, we will make this as a subject from equation 3 and then we will put its value in equation 2. So substituting f dash x by y from equation 3 in equation 2. તો આને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો શું થાય? આ ટર્મ અહીંયા જશે ને આ ટર્મ અહીંયા જશે. So it will be minus y square by x equal to del z into del z by del y. So we got the value of f dash x by y. Now we will put that value in equation 2. So putting in equation 2, what we will get? Del z by del x equal to આ જે ટર્મ છે એની જગ્યાએ આપણે આ વેલ્યુ પુટ કરશું. So that is equal to minus y square by x into del z by del y into 1 by y તો હતું જ તે equation 2 માં. Okay, so that is 1 by y. So this y and this y will get cancelled. So finally I will get del z by del x equal to minus y by x into del z by del y. But del z by del x is equal to p and del z by del y is equal to q. So finally I got this equation p equal to minus y by x into q. And x આ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ તો it will be px plus qy equal to 0. So this is the partial differential equation of first order. Okay. So now moving towards the type 2. Okay. Partial differential equation is formed by elimination of arbitrary functions, but it has two types. આપણે જે હમણાં examples કર્યા એ type 1 ના હતા. But we have also type 2. Type 2 પણ છે. So for that, this is also a very easy method. સાવ સિમ્પલ છે, ખાલી તમારે આ ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ યાદ રાખવાની છે. P is equal to del u by v, u comma v upon del y comma z. Q will be del u comma v by del z comma x, and R will be del u comma v by del x comma y. How you can remember? Then del u comma v is common everywhere. જો del u comma v ઉપર ન્યુમરેટરમાં કોમન છે, પછી નીચેની ટર્મ્સ કઈ રીતના યાદ રાખવાની કે yz થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે, yz, zx and xy. Okay, and then simply you have to write in the determinant form, that is del u by del y, del u by del z, del v by del y and del v by del z. પહેલા u છે એને બંને ફંક્શન સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને અહીંયા લખવાનું છે, અને v છે એને બંને ફંક્શન સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને અહીંયા નીચે લખવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો અગેન વી હેવ del u by del z and del u by del x and del v by del z and del v by del x. Similarly for this term also del u by del x and del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y. So in the given question you have to find all these terms and then you have to put the values in this equation, that is capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q is equal to R. So this is the final answer of your question. This will be the final answer of any given example. So let us see the examples of this type 2. Very simple examples are there. You just have to remember the value of capital P, capital Q and capital R. Okay. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function from f of x, x square minus y square, comma x by z equal to 0. હવે આપણે આગળ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ કરીએ એમાં કેવું હતું કે એક જ ફંક્શન આપેલું હતું કે f of x, y માટે કરો. But here in the function there are two terms. ફંક્શન ની અંદર બે ટર્મ્સ આપેલી છે, એક ટર્મ છે x square minus y square અને એક ટર્મ છે x by z. તો જ્યારે પણ ફંક્શન ની અંદર બે ટર્મ્સ આપેલી હોય, during that time you have to use type 2. Okay, type 2 ક્યારે યુઝ કરવાની છે કે in the function you have the two terms. ફંક્શન ની અંદર બે ટર્મ્સ આપેલી હોય ત્યારે આપણે type 2 યુઝ કરશું, otherwise we will use type 1 only. Okay, so here the function consists of two terms, that is x square minus y square and x by z. So we will take this term as u and this term as v. So let u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to x by z. And as we got u and v, now we can easily find capital P, capital Q and capital R. Okay, capital P, capital Q and capital R આ રીતના ગોતી શકશું. Okay, we will find the values of capital P, Q and R by this method. So capital P will be del u comma v by del y comma x. Sorry, y comma z. We have to start with yz, then zx, then xy. So here we will have del u by del y, del u by del z, del v by del y and del v by del z. Okay, so what we will get, del u by del y એટલે કે આ u ટર્મ છે એમાં differentiation, partial differentiation with respect to y, then it will be minus 2y. So it will be minus 2y. Del u by del z, here z term is not there, so it will be 0. Del v by del y, then it will be, you have to differentiate y term with respect to, you have to differentiate v with respect, partially with respect to y. તો શું આવશે xz, y નું શું થઈ જશે 1, and del v by del z, જો z ના રિસ્પેક્ટ માં કરીએ તો z1 થઈ જાય, તો અહીંયા શું આવશે xy. And then you have to multiply it, so you will get minus 2xy square. So you got the value of capital P. Now we will find capital Q. What will be capital Q? Del u comma v by del z comma x. So that is equal to del u by del z into del u by del x, del v by del z and del v by del x. Okay, so what we will get, in the u term, partially differentiating with respect to z, you will get 0. Here you will get 2x, here you will get xy and yz. And again cross multiplying it, you will get minus 2x square y. So that is the value of capital Q. Now we will find the value of capital R. So what will be the value of capital R? R will be del u comma v by del x comma y. So that is equal to del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y. હવે આ ટર્મ્સ છે એનું પાર્શિયલ ડિફરન્શિએશન u ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં u with respect to x, then what we will get? 2x. u with respect to y, then it is minus 2y. v with respect to x, then it is yz. And v with respect to y, then it will be xz. And again multiplying it, we will get minus 2x square z plus 2y square z. So we got the value of capital R. હવે આપણને capital P, capital Q અને capital R ની વેલ્યુ મળી ગઈ છે. So finally we will substitute value in, substituting values in the partial differential equation. What was the equation? Capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q is equal to capital R. So substituting values here, what we will get? Capital P શું મળ્યું હતું? Minus 2xy square into small p as it is plus capital Q શું મળ્યું હતું? Minus 2x square y into small q as it is, and value of R, that is minus 2x square z plus 2y square z. So we got minus 2xy square into p plus minus 2x square y into q is equal to minus 2x square z plus 2y square z. So this is the final partial differential equation which we got. Okay. So by using capital P, capital Q and capital R, we can finally get the answer. So now these are the two examples of type 2 for practicing. Okay. Here also the two terms are given. So here we will use the type 2 for elimination of the function. And answers are also given in the so that you can check whether you got the correct answer or not. So do practice the examples of partial differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary functions and also by arbitrary constants. Thank you everyone. I hope you all liked my video lecture. Thank you.